This video covers the general operation and maintenance for your new equipment. Every operator should watch this video before using the machine. Provided with your machine was an operator's manual. If you have not read this document, please pause this video and do so before continuing. This video provides information that is general and not tailored for your specific cleaning application. It does not take into consideration the health and safety risks specific to your application. Due to the many and various cleaning applications, the manufacturer, importer, distributor, or seller of this equipment is not responsible for its performance. So, let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Steve from Alpha Clean and I'm here today to make your job of cleaning carpet as easy as possible. The machine we're looking at today is the Truvox Hydromist Compact 250, a great little small level, fully self-contained carpet extractor that'll have you cleaning carpets like a professional in no time. The Hydromist Compact comes with a 14 litre tank system. On the top, we have the removable recovery tank, which collects your dirty water from the floor. Your first operation to do is to fill your clean tank with 14 litres of water. You have the option of putting your extraction chemical in the tank, but we find it much better to pre-spray to give contact time to the floor with your chemical. Inside this tank is a small filter. If you're filling it with a bucket, this filter will help in case there's any rubbish in the bottom of the bucket that could well affect the operation of the tank and void the warranty. Your recovery tank has a dome and a dome seal. It's very important that you maintain this dome seal, and all it is at the end of each job, give that a wipe over with some warm salty water. But if that's not in place and not looked after, it will affect your recovery ability of the dirty water off the floor. You also have a primary filter. This filter again will collect lint and will affect your vacuum, so this needs to be taken into consideration on your daily maintenance. After every job, that should be removed and just run under fresh water to rinse the lint away. On the front here, we have our pressure pump fitting. Should you need to prime your pump on the back of the machine, we have a priming hose. If there's an airlock in your pump, it's as simple as placing that in, picking your hose up from this side, and turning your vacuum on, and you'll use your vacuum to prime the pump up. Once that's done, remove the priming hose, replace your pump hose, and replace your vacuum hose, and you're in business. Two things to remember with your HC250 is the cable restraint. This will stop you from pulling the cable out of the electronic board and causing further damage. It should always be in place. And also, should you have any questions, please refer to the operating manual on the back of the machine. It's all done for you there in pictographs. Very easy reference point should you have any questions. So the basic operating function of the HC250 is that through our single jet down here, we spray our solution into the carpet at 60 psi. It is then agitated into the carpet by our brush system here, and finally picked up through our vacuum shoe here. So it is a backward motion. It is spray, brush and vacuum, so it works in a backward direction. The potential here is to get hair and lint in your brush. So after every job, I advise that you check that and clear any hair and lint that's caught up in the brush. And also, you've got the vacuum shoe here, and it's quite easily cleaned with a plastic rule or something like that, being careful not to damage the internals of it. Your spray jet is a quarter turn and comes off very simply. With the spray jet, never stick anything through it because it is a pattern jet that sprays into a pattern. If you stick a pin or a paper clip down there, you destroy the jet and you'll be looking at replacing another one. So again, just warm soapy water, let it soak for a while, clear the blockage, and then replace it simply with a quarter turn. Yep. The operating system on the Truvox HC250 is run by these three toggle switches on the top. Now the first toggle switch has two options. It's for your spray. So you have an option to have it controlled by the handle up here, which gives you full control over how much you wet the carpet. But if you're using a hose and wand and an upholstery tool to it, you put it on the continuous setting, and then you use your trigger switch on your hose or your upholstery tool to run the machine. The second switch here is your brush on switch. That turns your brush on. The third switch is your vacuum switch, and that'll be continuously on. Once you've filled your solution tank of your HC250, you're ready to go. It's simply a matter of turning on your water, your brush, and your vacuum, and then simply by operating the handle and pulling the machine in a backward direction, you're now cleaning carpet like a professional. Now, optional extras that are available for the Hydromist Compact 250 are our wand and hose or our upholstery tool. Quite easily fitted to the machine and just expand the options that this machine can give you when you're cleaning a room. Basically, you disconnect your spray pressure from here, you hook in the solution hose, hook in the vacuum hose, and then you select the tool for the job. If you're trying to go under desks or around very tight areas, you might want to use the wand. Simply hook in your solution, vacuum hose, pull the trigger, and now it acts as a hose and wand machine. The other option you've got is to hook in your upholstery tool, solution, vacuum, and then you're away to do upholstery and curtains very easily. Something to remember when using the optional extras on the HC250, you don't need to use the brush. The brush motor is taken out of it, so it's simply a matter of turning your water on, turning your vacuum on, pulling your trigger to inject water into the surface, and you're away. Once you've finished your job and it's time to clean up, it's a simple matter of pulling that hose out, removing your dirty tank and taking away and dumping it in the appropriate place. And the handle quite simply unscrews and folds over for easy storage. As you can see, the Hydromist Compact is designed for small areas and is the ideal machine for cleaning all your carpeted areas. If you have any questions at all, please contact us at Alpha Clean. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, and we hope this video has been helpful. Remember that regular maintenance of your machine is recommended to optimize its life cycle.